Okay, today we're going to look at volume, and I like to think of volume as the number of cubes that you could fit inside an object. Think of like a Rubik's Cube. It's like the number of cubes of space that it takes up. So to find the volume of a prism or cylinder, something that they have in common is they both have two bases. So you're going to find the volume the same way. In your book, you're going to see a big B. Well, what that means is the area of the base. So whatever the base is, you're just going to find the area of the base, which you've been doing a lot, and then you're going to multiply it by the height of the prism or cylinder. So let's look at a triangular prism. I'm going to draw that triangular prism. It goes on to say that it's a right triangle, so I am going to do my best to kind of draw a right triangle. Now, since it's a prism, I know that it has congruent and parallel bases. So I'm going to label this. It says it's a 6, 8. Even if it didn't tell me a 10, you would know that because that's a Pythagorean triple. You could also find that if for some reason you didn't know. So there's my triangular prism. And then it also tells me that the height of the prism is 9. So to find the volume of any prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, a rectangular prism, a cube, which is a special type of prism, any prism, you're going to find it the same way. Area of the base, so that's what that big B is, times the height. Well, in this case, the area of the base means that you're going to find the area of a triangle. Well, we know how to find the area of a triangle by 1/2 base times height. And we know that that base and that height have to form a 90-degree angle. So when I'm finding this area of a triangle, I'm going to do 1/2 times 6 times 8 to get 24. So you've been doing that for a long time. The area of that triangle, if you wanted to highlight the whole triangle, so the area of that triangle is 24. That's the area of the base. Now I still have to then multiply by the height of that prism. So in this case, the height is 9. That's why volume is in 3 dimensions. You do the area, which is 2 dimensions, and then you multiply by the height, which brings that into the 3rd dimension. And so my final answer here, when I do the area of the base times the height, is 216. Now keep in mind, this is volume, and so it is going to be cubic units, and in this case it was yards. So there you have cubic yards.